Hello and welcome to Gift Experiences. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of purchasing and managing your experiences on our platform. Once you are logged in and have found the experience you would like to purchase, you can simply press the Purchase Now button to start the process. Our purchasing process consists of 4 simple steps. First, let's select the number of people who will be participating in this experience. For this example, I'll purchase the experience for 1 participant. Next, fill in your contact details. If you're a returning customer, this information will be pre-filled for your convenience. Here, you have the option to purchase this experience as a gift for someone else. Simply enter the recipient's name, recipient's email, and a personalized gift message. For this demonstration, I'll be purchasing this experience for myself. The last step is the payment process. Choose your preferred payment method. We accept all major credit cards, Google Pay, as well as Affirm financing options. Once you have filled out the payment information, we can go ahead and review the order summary. The experience cost is $100. The tax is $13, bringing our total today to $113. When we are ready, simply click the Pay button. Congratulations! Your purchase has now been confirmed. A confirmation email has been sent to your registered email address. You will receive 2 important emails. The first one is the purchase confirmation email. This serves as your receipt and contains all payment information for your records. The second email is the gift email. This contains your experience details, booking reference number, and most importantly, your QR code. This QR code is what you will present to the vendor when you arrive for your experience. Alternatively, you can also access your experience information in the My Experiences page. Let's go ahead and click View My Experiences. Here, you will see your new experience under Upcoming Experiences. You can view some of the details here, and for more details, we can click the View Details button right here. All the information about the experience, payment information, as well as the booking reference number and the QR code will be available here for you to access at any time. And that's it. You've successfully completed the entire booking process on Gift Experiences. After completing your experience, please take a moment to leave a review about what you enjoyed and any helpful tips for future participants. Thank you for choosing Gift Experiences for your adventure needs.